Welcome to this quick tutorial how to use the new TimeOwl spreadsheet plugin. All you need is the link to the Workspace Marketplace where you can find the plugin. Then you click the install button where it will ask you for all the permissions. These permissions, you need to select your account, and then these permissions are TimeOwl needs access to your timesheets so that it can create new sheets, that it can pull the different templates and stuff. It needs to connect to an external service so that it can connect to TimeOwl and get all your time gatherings, do all the queries and so on. And it needs to display a third-party web content on the sidebar when you navigate within the TimeOwl plugin and select different types of, if you create your reports, it needs those. That explained, you hopefully click allow to give the plugin all the required permissions, and then you're pretty much set on that side. Once you've installed the app from the market space, you can just jump into one of your Google Sheets. Let me refresh this real quick. So, and once you have, let me call this tutorial. Once you've loaded your project, you can go to extensions, and now you should be able to find the TimeOwl Google Sheets plugin here. All you need to do is now to click the setup button to connect your Google plugin, like the TimeOwl plugin to TimeOwl. Once you click setup, you see the setup dialog where you say link accounts. Then you see the TimeOwl page for linking the accounts and where you need to sign in to your TimeOwl account using your Google account. So let me do this real quick. It asks you again for the permissions. If you haven't registered a TimeOwl account yet, it will totally show you the permissions. Otherwise, you just sign it to your TimeOwl account. It could happen that you don't see this permission dialog if you have already signed into TimeOwl. However, then TimeOwl is asking you if the TimeOwl Sheets plugin may access the data in your TimeOwl account, where you have to click Authorize. Once you've done that, you're pretty much finished with the whole setup, except if you are not registered to TimeOwl, there will be the usual registration flow on that page. Otherwise, you can just close this window and return to the Google Sheets, where you can watch the little first tutorial video, or can just get started. And once this plugin is installed, you have the ability to create new reports. You can import templates from the template library, or you can just get started with using the TimeOwl function, which works the way that you just type in TimeOwl, and then you can start looking for projects. For example, TimeOwl in my calendar, and then a start and an end date. For example, I can do today to today, and then it loads all these information from the TimeOwl API. That's pretty much it. Right now, it needs the synchronization from TimeOwl itself. So if data is not displayed correctly, just sign into your TimeOwl account, make sure that the account syncs properly. So let me do this real quick. So that helps you to enforce the sync, and once this is synchronized, it should be able to drag this information out of your account. Yeah, that's pretty much the setup. And then I wish you a great start with the plugin, and also make sure that you watch one of the other videos.